Hello
and welcome back to the channel, or welcome for the first time if you're new here. Hi, my name's Jacob and today we're going to look at LinkedIn lead gen and specifically 2 ways of generating more leads long term. Now, I'm not going to be talking about some sneaky hacks to like find a way around the algorithms to win, which everyone seems to think there is.
There's not.
I've been on the platform long enough. There's not. But I'm going to give you 2 ways if you want to have long-term success and create more leads and have a better personal brand and build your business on the platform. So before I do that, however, bear with me for like 5 seconds, okay? One, I just want to say thank you so much to the 1,100 subscribers right now.
What is going on?
It's mad. And secondly, to all those that have watched before, what the flip am I wearing? I mean,
hello.
I'm looking smart today. I had to make some smarter videos for something else, so I just kept this on. I thought I've got to bring you some value. Anyway, now, for those that have subscribed and watched all of my previous videos, what I'm about to tell you, you already know. So you have permission to turn off right now. However, if you haven't watched my videos before and you haven't subscribed, then trust me, this is going to be one of the most valuable videos you've ever watched. Are you ready? Cool. Enough waffling, Jacob. Get on with it. So there are 2 ways that we can generate leads and long-term success on LinkedIn. And it is the 2 C's. Are you ready? The first C is content. You wanna know what the second C is? Connections. Now, what do these mean on their own? Well, firstly, we have to look at content. We have to provide enough value to people in the industry that we're interested in to turn them from potential just strangers into prospects and leads, okay? We're not outreaching at this point. We're just talking about providing enough value so leads come to you on a consistent basis. So that's through your content. And you need connections to be able for people to see the content. So let's start with connections. We need to connect with people relevant to the industry that you're specifically trying to target. Let's say, and I'm thinking on the fly now, so I apologize if this is rubbish. Let's say you are, I knew I couldn't do it on the fly. Let's say you are a consultant who sells coaching programs to people who want to be chefs. I don't know if I've ever met a chef that wants to be a coach on LinkedIn. Anyway, let's just say that's what you do. You know the customer avatar. There is a specific customer avatar that this type of person, anyone that matches
this avatar
of person that I have identified is my perfect customer, they're the people that I need to attract. Therefore, you will go out and build connections of those. You can filter so well on LinkedIn, it's unbelievable. So just filter through, choose the people that match your avatar, and then go after those people and connect with them. Connect. Max out your connections every single week. Constantly do it. It's actually every couple of days. Everyone tells you it's every week. You can connect with 100 or 200 people every week. It's not. It's every couple of days. Just a top tip for you. So keep going back and it will refresh every like 3 days. Anyway, so let's just say for a second that you have gone out there, connected, and you've built up this nest of people that are in your target audience. So you know the services you provide are going to be valuable to these people, okay? We've established that. Hit the microphone. You've got connections. Brilliant stuff. Now you need to provide them with content, because why the hell should they stick around? Why the hell should they buy from you if they have no idea who you are? Because guess what? DMs do work if you do them right in a non-salesy way. However, another video, go check it out. However, for the most part, people actually like to take ownership of who they go out and find. So if they're constantly feeling like they're bombarded with sales, they're like, oh,
I feel like you're pushing it onto me.
I want to find you. Best way for people to find you is to provide content. Guess what? LinkedIn has around 960 million users right now. What? Nearly 1 billion people using LinkedIn, and a fraction of those, unlike all other platforms, just a fraction of those are actually producing content. So most are passive viewers, watchers, prospective customers. So if you break the mold and become a content creator on the platform, providing value to your demographic, guess what? You're probably one of very few that are doing it on the platform in your space. So therefore, you have a massive opportunity to generate leads. So we've got our connections, we know they're targeted, now we need to provide them with valuable content.
What do I mean by valuable content?
Well, it is as it sounds. We're not trying to sell anything. Stop telling people what you do and how you can help them. Just provide value and address pain points that you will know that they have. Because if you address those pain, it's like fleas. It's these lights, I'm getting really hot. If you provide enough value, you know the pain points your avatars have, okay? You know what they're struggling with. So just provide them with absolute value. In fact, tell them for free how they can solve that problem. Okay, solve the problem that they have for free. Because guess what? Everyone thinks that, well, if I tell them how to do it, then they won't come to me for business.
Incorrect.
Wrong. Nonsensical. I'm going to give you a great example. If you were looking to build a website, okay? You've got no experience building websites, but you know a pain point of yours is your website or you have is rubbish, or that you need a website to produce good results for your business. So that's a pain point you have and you know it, okay? But you're not very good at building websites. I then provide you with a video. I don't do this, but I provide you with a video or lots of little small videos giving you tips on how to build the best website. Step by step, I'm gonna tell you exactly. If you copy the steps I'm gonna give you, you can quite literally
Build the website of your dream.
you don't have to pay me, I'm gonna give it to you for free. Do you think that those people are gonna follow all of those videos and actually build that website in their own time? Or do you think they're going to go,
This person knows exactly what he's talking about. He's just demonstrated that he knows how, or she knows how to build a website that I need. I'll just go to them.
there, you've built enough value in yourself and your knowledge and your experience and your expertise that they've just gone, do you know what? This person knows what they're talking about. I feel like they're a bit of an influence in the space because they provide so much value. I'm just gonna go straight to them. And that is how you start turning people into leads. You're providing value and they're turning themselves into leads for you. No one likes to be sold to, but everyone likes to buy.
And that's the thing. We're not trying to sell to people. We're not going to go,
Hey, did you know I build the best websites around? If you need a website, come to me. I will build you a nice website. Trust me, I'll build a website.
Great, I'm not going to buy from you because I don't like being sold to. But if you came out of the block saying, here is how to build the best website step by step, or I know this pain point that you have on your websites is that people just won't convert. So I'm going to show you how to make people convert better on the website and show them. They're going to go, oh, flipping out, this guy knows exactly what he's going to talk about. I'm going to go straight to it. You get the metaphor now, right? This is a website building thing, but it works for every business. So let's recap quickly. Connections and content, or content connections, whichever you like. It's chicken and egg. As long as you've got enough connections that are in your target avatar, your demographic of people that you want. Please, I need people to understand this because I'm not trying to sell you any. I need to outlay this. I'm just going to put it out there. I'm not trying to sell you any. I have nothing to sell you. I just want people to get better at LinkedIn, and I want people to utilize the opportunity on this platform. So I have nothing to sell you. There's nothing I'm going to try and link you apart from my LinkedIn profile page in the description, okay? I just want you to understand these concepts. And if you understand these concepts, you will win. And you won't have to pay for people to do this stuff for you, all right? Cool, understood? Right, not trying to sell you anything. Go get the connections that you need. All of the people, everyone that is in your target avatar base, and just build that over time. It takes time, but guess what? Compound. Just compounding. If you do 100 people in this 4 days and then 100 people the next 4 days, you've got 200 people, 300 people, 400 people. It soon compounds and builds, and then you've got a big network of people. And you know that the network of people that you've connected with are so targeted because you've targeted them right. Therefore, they're going to want what you have to sell. Then you provide them with value-driven content. Value-driven content being anything that just tells them how to fix their pain points. If they have a pain point, address it, answer those frequently asked questions, anything that can help them for free, provide that value. People will then start to come to you because you've got connections that are seeing your content. They will click on it, they will share it, they will engage with it, which is pretty much the same as a share, and more people will see it. Therefore, more people will see your value. You'll build your network further, you'll build your contacts and your connections and your business further. Does that make sense? Cool. I'm sorry if this is a long video. I apologize if it's a short video. I try to get through this as quick as I can, but I really want people to understand the value in it. I always say in every single video, please connect with me on LinkedIn. It's the only thing I ask. And subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We've just made 1,000 followers, subscribers, whatever it is on this platform. And my next milestone is 2,000. I know, big ask to double what I've achieved, but it would be amazing. Like this video, it does the world for us smaller creators. Notice how I put this at the end. I didn't want to put it at the beginning and spam you with that rubbish. Okay, but please do like it if you found value in it. Comment, let me know what you want to know about LinkedIn or anything digital marketing or anything video. Just comment, ask me. You check out my other videos. I always comment and reply. And if you reach out to me on LinkedIn, let me know that you came from YouTube. I always respond every single time. So I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this content. I hope you found it valuable. Connections and content connections, whatever. Do both of them. You will have long-term success and generate leads on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.